Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. So today I have a very new video. I've never done a video like this on our channel before. As you can probably see from the title already, I'm going to be cleaning and reorganizing our refrigerator. So I do clean our refrigerator, but I never film it. And sadly, since we have moved in, I have not done a deep clean of our refrigerator. And I was looking at it earlier and there's like leftovers in the back that I'm just like, I need to go through it. I'm gonna take everything out. I'm going to wipe all the like shelves off. I'm going to be reorganizing everything. So I'm really excited. Probably gonna be readjusting. Quit. I'm probably gonna be like moving the shelves around because you can like put them on different levels and stuff like that. So anyways, if you guys want to stick around and get some motivation to clean your refrigerator and get it organized, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is show you guys what our refrigerator looks like right now. It is crazy. So I'm gonna look at expiration dates and all kind of stuff like that, but we have a small refrigerator. It's like a top and bottom one. The freezer's up here and the refrigerator's down here. So we use basically everything on the doors. I just need to go through them and like I said, check expiration dates. And then a lot of the stuff that you see in Tupperware is like needs to go. And I really need to just like, you can tell I need to wipe basically like everything down. So I'm gonna take everything out, and then you can see there's like different tiered things where I can move the shelves. So once I get everything out and wipe it all down, I'm gonna literally, it's gonna be an empty fridge. I'm going to move everything because I really want our drinks on the top. I don't know, I think it's a thing. It's how you grew up. I don't know. Whenever I grew up, our drinks, like our milk and stuff, would be on the top shelf, and I'm just used to it. Even like I'm 31. I have not lived at home in so long. So anyways, I'm gonna go through everything, take it all out. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process, and we're gonna get this refrigerator looking totally different.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at, 'cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah, I don't really care.
So everything is out of the fridge. I had to get one of Joel's shoes to hold the door open, but you can see it just needs to have like a good wipe down. Our fruit drawer, I never clean up like the grapes and like the little stems and stuff. And then, yeah, it really needs to be wiped down. So I'm gonna take all these shelves out, and it's gonna be totally different. So this side is everything that's good. This side is everything that's basically empty, expired, questionable, leftovers, about to expire. Like this buttermilk is gonna expire on February 1st, and so there's no way we're gonna use all that. This stuff I need to put in the recycle. It's like empty. A bunch of this stuff was like empty, and then someone put it back in the fridge, and then there's just like a random little leftover stick of butter. So yeah, and then this baking soda is not fresh anymore. This is some stuff that my brother brought when he cooked. I think he was trying to make tartar sauce. And then, yeah, this is just like mainly expired. All this is leftovers. There's no wonder I don't have any Tupperware. But yeah, this is all that I'm keeping. just this that you can see right here. So our refrigerator is gonna be looking real pathetic, but it's gonna be clean and organized. And I'm doing this because I have to go grocery shopping tomorrow, so I wanted to see what I needed and just have like a fresh, clean refrigerator to put everything in.
Me and you can't get enough. No, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff, though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me.
It is all clean. It's hard to, it's not focusing because there's nothing to focus on. And all of this is clean. I wiped all the sides, I wiped the back. It's totally empty. This stuff is clean. I'm just letting it dry, like air dry. So now I'm gonna do the drawers, and I'm gonna like wash them in the sink with soap and water, and then dry them by hand, and then start putting like all the shelves, like figure out how I'm gonna arrange. The tripod's in the way, but I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna arrange everything and then get it all back in there. If you guys are wondering what I am using to clean, I'm using this. It's counter clean, but you can use it for pretty much anything. I love it so much. So the scent I have is By the Sea. It's by Scentsy. It's no longer available, not this scent, but they do have counter clean right now, and it's 10% off. So if you guys are interested, you can just, if you know someone who sells Scentsy, then you can purchase it from them, or just go on the website and type in your zip code and it'll find a local consultant. But anyways, I'm about to wash these out now.
Still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend over like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind, we've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan, we'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young, in a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old.
Okay, so everything is back in the refrigerator, and I'll tell you why I put things where I put them. I put the stuff down here that we really don't grab for that much, or that the kids need to be able to grab. I just like putting our butter here. I don't know if that's where it's supposed to go, but I just like it there. It's like a little, it's like the perfect size for it. And I put pickles here together since they're both really big and they need like a wide, and then ketchup and mustard together because that's what we use for hot dogs most of the time. I put the short jars under here. Cheese always goes in here, and then we need hot dogs. Hot dogs go in here too. Homemade ranch, and then like hot sauce and barbecue sauce right there. And then here I put like all the jellies, and then I have salsa right there just because it's a big jar, and then it's almost gone, so I'm about to throw it away. All the drinks are at the top. Here's some guacamole that I made today, and here I keep random stuff. We have one Go-Gurt left, so I took it out of the box, threw the box away and put it in here. cinnamon rolls in the back. This is lunch meat, and then chorizo. And down here I put the shallow stuff, since this drawer, this like space is really shallow. So eggs and lettuce, and then in here I just have shredded cheese and apple juice. So now it looks like we don't have anything. But it's really, really clean and I love it. It feels really good. That's where we put our fruit. So it's all finished. And I'm gonna shut it so everything can start getting cold and it can get cold in there again. And now I'm going to start working on this. So I'm gonna empty everything and recycle all the bottles that I can and get all these Tupperwares in the sink so I can wash them all and get them back in the drawer. Maybe so I have everything thrown away, emptied the trash. Thank God the trash goes tomorrow because so much food went in the dumpster. But all I have to do is wash all the Tupperware, let it dry. I'm gonna put it away in the morning, but my refrigerator is clean. It's ready to restock tomorrow and reorganize. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got a lot of motivation. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know when's the last time. Confession time. Let me know when's the last time you cleaned out your refrigerator. But anyways, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to stick around for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.